Sawadee Cup, I am in Pattaya, Thailand, a beach resort town made famous in the 60s and 70s when soldiers fighting in the Vietnam War would come over for R&R. They came here to enjoy the beach, to drink some beer, and fornicate with prostitutes. And so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here in Pattaya today. I know you wanna see what the women look like, and I wanna show you what the men look like as well, and we're gonna take a look around Pattaya. And for that, I'm going to go into stealth mode because a lot of people don't wanna be filmed cavorting with ladies of the night in Pattaya. Sawadee Cup. And how long do you work?
How long I work?
Yeah.
10 hours.
10
so
hours.
12 to 9.
You make good tips here?
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
All right. What's this? Fantasy. You're my fantasy. So basically in like a 10-block radius, all of these sois, these streets around here, are all just lined with go-go bars and massage parlors, with the odd 7-Eleven. So, living downtown, unless you really love go-go bars, getting happy ending massages, and eating fast food, there isn't a whole lot in Pattaya to do. You have the beach, you've got some really nice malls, it's cheap. What else can I say? If you want to get around in Pattaya, you just hop on one of these baht buses, and for 10 baht, less than $1, it'll take you anywhere you need to go in the city. festival. Whoa, what is that? I'm not saying there's nothing else to do in Pattaya. There's lots to do in Pattaya. You've got markets, festivals going on like this one behind me. You've got hiking in the mountains. You've got jet skiing and fishing and all the amazing things Thailand has to offer. But Pattaya is mostly known for partying and that. Mango and sticky rice, it's a classic. Plenty of food options here. What's up? Yeah, so I'm obviously out of the tourist area. I'm just kind of exploring a different part of Pattaya. Oh. 7-Eleven's always a center of activity. Everywhere in Pattaya you'll see these big packs of Indian guys here on vacation, living the dream. This guy's got one arm, but he's smoking like a badass. Buddy cup. There you go, my friend. You know, whenever you're feeling like you're having a bad hair day, or your Bitcoin isn't doing as well as it should be, just be thankful you have all of your fingers, all of your arms, and all of your eyes. You haven't tripped on any landmines or gotten into any brutal car accidents. Are your family safe? Are your friends okay? Be happy. Life is good. Life is short, and you have to enjoy it. What a show, huh? Just what a cast of characters. It reminds me of that song, I've got friends in low places where the whiskey blows and the beer chases my blues away. Here comes some political party. Shopping. Everybody's having a good time out here. Okay, my GoPro is super potatoes at night, so I'm gonna do my best to get you some shots of Pattaya at night with a GoPro potato. So I grab one of these and anything. All right. Take a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, I gotta try everything. Whatever that is. Okay. A little curry before I go for another walk. 50 baht. I love this with the rice noodles, a little bit of herbs on top. It's just a nice light meal. It's not so heavy. It's spicy, but it's not heavy.